The preparation of the different components of the upper is performed in the traditional way, as in skiving along the edges that needed for aesthetic and construction purposes. The thermoadhesive reinforcement is attached to some pieces of the upper. The thickness of the leather is about 1.1 millimeters, therefore slightly lower than the standard usually used for the construction of the boots. The reinforcement is very thin but at the same time very stable, once cooled against the material. The positioning of the thermoadhesive material is very simple. It can be placed on the pieces just before being pressed, or, as in this case, also fixed temporarily and then fused. Thermofusion, in this case, lasted about 20 seconds at a temperature of 115–120 degrees Celsius with the plating machine with steel plates. The values may change at the end of the process. As you can see, the material is perfectly attached and the skin has kept a soft feel. Also the ostrich strip, very soft but by its nature with little consistency, it is now much more compact and elastic. We made a pair of calf leather boots and not a band of real ostrich. The right half pair has been reinforced, while for the left half pair we did not apply any support. It will be used at the end of the process to evaluate the effectiveness of the product. Despite the addition, it is interesting to note, however, that the thickness of the upper has not increased much. Even the sewing operations are carried out without any unexpected events. The needle and the thread pass through the reinforced skin without problems, without creating knots and breakages. Before closing the quarter, you notice the flexibility and softness of all the components, and above all, no wrinkle created by the coupling. During machine lasting, you can already notice the different behavior of the quarter. The left half pair has no reinforcement, whereby the upper part falls several times, creating a deep fold, while the right half pair, which has the reinforcement, is much more stable. The same thing happens for the closing operations of the hips and the heel. At the time of delisting, both boots did not create any unexpected problems. But as you can see, the half pair that does not have the reinforcement risks being damaged, because the last slips inside the quarter along the back that, therefore, could tear. Once resting on the floor, it immediately stands out the difference between the reinforced half pair, elastic and soft at the same time, and in the one that does not contain the support. The quarter is too soft and not stable and bends over itself in an aesthetically incorrect manner.